May profits be upon you. Hey, I want to make an update, a clarification, and a correction. I'm going to flat out tell you that I think I was wrong in my uh, initial uh, analysis of Bitcoin because what I cited was the obvious head and shoulder uh, 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 candlestick pattern that was shown here, right? And I figured once price came up here, which was a good entry for short, and broke this level of of well support here. But once it broke this low, right, I figured this was going to show that price was going to continue lower. The problem we had, I mean, after a break of structure, this was a one break, and this was a another. But after this break, I figured that we returned to impulse, which we did here. All right, but this is where the problem came. All right, while it's returning to impulse here, it created this. All right, if it can work this way, boom, 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 it can definitely work in the opposite way, boom, boom, boom. Right? Here's the deal. Why do I think this one will take precedence over this one? All right. Well, the first thing is this one here is more the most recent, right? And it was pointed out to me, and I said, "Yeah, I see it." But what kills the validation for this one is what happened here, right? When I say return to impulse, I always point out the order block that was responsible, the originating order block that impulses price past these breaks of structure. All right. This is my bread and butter entry. The return to impulse. I wait here, and then it goes. The problem is it didn't break that low. It didn't come down and break that low. Instead, it found uh, uh, the resistance. I mean, the support, resistance, and then support here, right? It just happens to line up like that. But this is an order block, and that became a problem. It didn't get past that order block. When price starts supporting bullish order blocks, and starts respecting here the larger daily man zone, you have to recognize that order flow has changed. And because we have a close on the 4 hour, because we closed above this this supply, once it violates the protected price point of that order block, there's there's a shift taking place from bearish. What I was thinking was bearish momentum to bullish, and I'll just say that, hey, I got it wrong. It did this my the break of the I didn't get the follow through once it broke structure here. I was thinking this was going to come on down and break these lows. It didn't happen. All right, and I have to make adjustments. So I'm telling you right now that this here I should have I thought it was a liquidity grab on the daily. When they look at it on a daily, whenever I see a wick past an order block like I have here, uh, I look. That's why the X is there. There was a dollar sign there. I think it's going to be a liquidity grab, but you see, it still respected this daily order block here. It never got past it, and because it didn't get past it, I don't think it will get past it. I think price will continue higher, and you can see that here on the next daily order block for the um, the 7th of November. So, and it's bullish. And I think this is going to continue the bullish momentum. All right. I just want to share that with uh, the Trading View community and my subscribers. And uh, I will look for a possible entry on the lower time frames. You know, as price climbs up, because I'm pretty sure it's going to hit these highs and head for the liquidity up at the top there. So I am looking for this situation right now. All right, so that I don't leave you without anything. We have a break of these highs here, right? That made it. This made that lower low relative to these lows, right? Broke this low, came above it. All right, so we have a break of structure. All right, whether you call it minor structure or not, or a short-term low, I think it's a legitimate break of structure, and then we can look towards these highs here. So, all right, after this break here and this one here, I told you, like I mentioned before, after two short-term breaks, I always look to see if price will return to impulse. So I am looking for a pullback. I am looking for a pullback, and I'm going to be looking right around this area. All right, now price could come all the way down here and still maintain bullish momentum as long as it doesn't violate that low. You know, I'm looking here as a possible place that price will reverse and continue higher. All right, but there is this one looming. I will look to that one as well. If I look on the higher time frames, this is where I would get my order block. I would think this one here, right here. So I'm in the right vicinity for this one. I believe price could return here, could come here, but this is very recent to this break of this short term high. So we'll see, but I do see price in a pullback. Okay, I do see price in a pullback, maybe to this area, and then continuation of the bullish momentum. All right, this is a legitimate pullback here. All right, this one around this area is not as much. These are two short term lows, two short term highs, and I believe it will warrant a return to impulse, and then we can go higher. All right, but I will look here first as a point of interest. See if we can get some bullish price action on the lower time frames here. If not, if this one doesn't hold, I'm looking definitely down in this area. All right, right around 68. What is this? 68.35, 6,900. All right, in this area. All right, we'll see. Okay, I will see you in the next video, and may profits be upon you.